Comparing the intelligence of animals of different species is difficult. How do you compare a dolphin and a horse? Psychologists have a technique for looking at intelligence that does not require the cooperation of the animal involved. So we are talking about just one technique. Psychologists have a technique that does not require. So technique is singular. Do comes with plural, does comes with singular, did is past tense, and done is third form again. So we don't need past tenses here because we are talking about a fact. So psychologists have a technique, so it should be in present tense, that does not require the cooperation of the animal. The relative size of an individual's brain is a reasonable indication of intelligence. Comparing dash species is not as simple. An elephant will have a larger brain than a human simply because it's a large beast. So comparing species, crossways, diagonally, across and athwart. Crossways, diagonally and athwart are used in terms of position, in terms of like diagonal is a direction, in terms of directions basically. But here we were not talking about direction, so we'll say across because one use of across is also to say that everywhere or all the things included. So we cannot say comparing across species means we cannot compare all the species with each other. It's not simple. And then they gave a reason. Dash we use this cephalization index, which compare the size of an animal's brain to the size of the body. So we cannot make a comparison. In the previous sentence we said we cannot make a comparison like this. Dash we use this method. So instead, replacement, substitute, alternate. Out of these four options, only one is used with a comma as a connector, which is instead. When we want to say that the previous thing is not what we do, and instead of that we do the next mentioned thing. That is how we use the word instead.